So right now we're in Crystal's. Basically, it's a little mall, places with restaurants and things like that. We're headed over to the Aria Casino and Hotel. So we're gonna do a quick walkthrough of the Aria for you guys, so you guys can see that, and then I think we'll make our way over to the Cosmopolitan. And I think that's gonna pretty much do it in. Right now we got Half-Life on the gimbal. I'm actually incredibly surprised at how well this actually turned out for filming, battery life, and everything like that. So this charges your GoPro as you film. So right now the GoPro battery is at 91%. The Karma grip itself is at half-life. The only downtime with this is 6 hours to charge, so that kind of sucks, but it could be a little bit better, it could be a little bit worse. Now if you get the fast charger, I guess it cuts down that time by a lot. So I think it cuts it from 6 hours down to 2 hours with the fast charge, but the fast charger is like $70 or something like that. So I haven't done it, but so far very impressed. I basically walked from Mandalay Bay, Luxor, Excalibur, Tropicana, MGM, New York, and filmed all of that as well as the Monte Carlo. And to give you an idea of how much battery this thing actually can pull off, so pretty decent. Very surprised. I'm really interested to see when I get down to edit these videos to see exactly how everything looks with the new Hero 6 as well as the Karma grip. Now so far the pair has worked incredibly well, so I'm actually surprised at how well it's worked. So now we're making our way over to Aria here. Now it's quite a ways back from the boulevard, so be prepared to walk for a bit if you do come up here. It does take a minute. The sculpture thing out here is pretty sweet. And then they have a big fountain thing towards the front. So like if you were staying here and you got dropped off from a taxi from the airport, it'd be over to the left is where your drop off is gonna be. And then we'll kind of take you through a little bit. So there's a big fountain thing. It's kind of hard to see, but it's all the way over here. Here's like an infinity edge pool, which is kind of sweet too. All right, so making our way into Aria here, so the hotel lobby, casino, convention center, and the buffet, and Jewel nightclub is all going to be on the left-hand side. So if you're staying here, check-in is right over here. So as you can see, beautiful check-in desk. I really like it. The dragon thing looks way sweet. That's hanging from the ceiling right now. They do different themes and stuff throughout the year in sort of the lobby way and things like that. But if you're coming here by taxi or by limousine or Uber, Lyft, they'll drop you off right up here. So, as always, your famous lobby bar right over here to the right. So the elevators and the buffet and the cafe are all going to be over to the right-hand side. So we'll kind of stick to the right-hand side of the casino as we walk through so we can point some of these things out. Right now, as you're seeing, this is the casino floor here at the Aria. Beautiful, a lot of money went into this place. The ceiling is really sweet. I like the way the decor looks in this place. So the Aria Cafe is right here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Probably a little bit better on your 4K TVs than on the GoPro screen from what I'm looking at, trying to point stuff out.
I don't need it a week.
Over to the right is the lift bar. Again, guys, the ceiling in here is way sweet. I love it. There's more of the casino floor over there. So if you stay in here, here's where your tower suites and stuff are, up over here, where that blue sign is. So the convention center, the buffet, the sports book, and poker room are all going to be up over here to the right, so I'll show you that. There's some shops and stuff that are going to be over to your right here. So I don't know if you can see that. Now we'll take you to the Alibi Cocktail Lounge up to the right. The cashier's cage is down that way, so I'm going to swing over here and head around. So as you guys can see, huge casino floor here at the Aria. Between the Aria and the Cosmopolitan, they're kind of a close 1 and 2 as far as casino look and decor and elegance and how nice it actually is, the luxury appeal, I guess, so to speak. Players Club cards are directly in front of us, so M Life, like I said, My Vegas Rewards, redeem those here. High Limit Lounge is going to be straight ahead right here, so this orange building right there is all High Limit Lounge. High Limit Slots is right over here to my left-hand side, so if you're interested in that. There's also shops and gallerias and stuff over to the right. Restaurants are upstairs, so if you're interested in that, go up those escalators to the right, the sports book, and everything is going to be off to your right-hand side here, where you see the 550 Pizza Bar sign right there. Another essential shop, as always. And this will take you back towards the tram. So there's a tram that actually runs back to Monte Carlo and stuff that you can take as well. So it goes all the way up to the Bellagio. So we may have to hit up the tram and check that out here for a little bit. But like I said, this place is huge. Poker room off over to the right-hand side. But I think we're going to hit up the tram and take it to the Bellagio and kind of work our way back from Bellagio and then also through the Cosmopolitan. So I think that's what we'll do here. There's not really too much more to see. Huge casino floor here at the Aria, so I hope you all enjoy. If you do, throw up a like on today's video. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. But as always, guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.